Okay, now we're going to set up add a new client to CRC. So the way we're going to do this is when we get a new client, we're going to first go to lead connector here. And go event, pipeline stage change. Continue. Pipeline. We're going to put a creditor per funnel pipeline. That's the one you're using. Move to stage. Is there like a one stage or hot leads, or do you have a stage where when you win the client over, you move them over to there?
No, I haven't gotten that far yet. It may be set up already on the back end, but I haven't used it.
Here, go to fresh start over here. Let's go to opportunities. Okay, follow up. Go over to look on the other one. I want to see your other pipeline here. Okay, so we should add like a one client, So go to pipelines. Which one do you want to edit here? Yes, click on the pencil on this one. Click on oh, new enroll is like a one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so cool. So do new enroll. So let's go back to Zapier. We're just gonna click on the other pipeline. Potential. Move to stage. Scroll down, where's new enroll? Continue. Add a test trigger. Scroll down. Continue. We're going to do credit per cloud. We're going to choose event. We're going to new client, create client. Continue. Continue. Just like how we filled it out before, click on first name. First. Click off. Last. Click off. Phone and email. Email. Phone. Or we just pass it on top or search it up, yeah.
All right.
Click off. Scroll down. Continue. Test action. Good to go. I'll call this a new client add to CRC. Or new enroll add to CRC. Because you have it called as enroll on your Go High Level account. All right, then click publish over here. There we go. I think we're just about good. So we added a new way. So what's going to happen now is as soon as they move into the pipeline of new enroll, they're going to be added to your CRC as a client. From there, all you need to do is go to that CRC profile realistically and just give them access to their secure client access.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Cool. There you go. Stop.